Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to once again to English lecture. Students, in the last lecture we have learned lesson number 2.1. The name of the poem was Animals and some homework was given to you. I hope you all might have done it. So today we are going to learn English Kumar Bharti Unit 2 lesson number 2.2. The name of the lesson is The Three Question. Before moving to the explanation part of the lesson, the three question, first let me introduce about the author. The three question is written by the author Leo Tolstoy, who was born in the year 1828 and died in the year 1910. He was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. He first achieved literary acclaim in his 20s with his semi-autobiographical trilogy. Here semi-autobiographical means of a written work dealing partly with the writer's own life but also containing fictional elements. Trilogy means a group of three related. So when the writer was of 20 years old, he wrote semi-autobiographical trilogy means which is of childhood, boyhood and youth. The author also had greatly inspired and influenced Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King Jr. Let's proceed with the explanation part of the lesson. The chapter, The Three Questions, is a parable. Parable means a short story with a moral lesson. A parable usually has human characters. So the chapter The Three Questions is a parable about a king who wants to find the answers to what according to him are the most important questions in life. In this particular parable, a king wanted answers to three questions. Let's see the three questions which a king wanted to know the answer of it. Number 1 was, what was the right time to begin something? Second question was, who were the right people to listen to? And the third question was, what was the most important thing to do? The king wanted to know the answer of these three questions because according to him, once if he know the answers of these three questions, then he would never make a mistake. All will be happy and satisfied in his kingdom. So he announced in his kingdom that he would reward anyone who would give the finest reply to these three questions. So many wise and knowledgeable people came to his court. For the first question, what was the first question? What was the right time to begin something? For this question, some said that one should prepare a timetable in advance and strictly follow it. Whereas some said that it was impossible to find the right time to do everything, and hence the king should have a council of learned people who could help him. And for the second question, what was the second question? Who were the right people to listen to? For this, some people suggested that the king should listen to the priests or the doctors or the warriors. And for the third question, what was the third question? What was the most important thing to do. So for this, some people replied that the most important thing in the world was science. Others said it was skill in warfare. And others again said that it was religious worship. So many learned men answered, but they all answered his question differently. So the king was not convinced with any of the answer, so no reward was given to them. Now let's discuss some meanings. Number 1, beforehand. Beforehand means before something takes place. Second one, counselors. Counselors means members of a council or a group of people who act as advisors to a person or organization. Third one, crouching. Crouching means bending. Fourth, next, dismounted. Dismounted means got off or got down from something. Next, proclamation. Your proclamation means announcement or declaration. Next, warfare. Warfare means a military conflict or clash between opposing groups. Now let's discuss some question answer. First question, why did the king announce a reward to get an answer to his 3 questions? Why did he announce a reward? Because the king was sure that once the questions were answered, he would never fail in anything that he would undertake. Next, give reason. The king final suggestion of the last group of learned men regarding the best time was to appoint a council of wise men. Why? Why the final suggestion of the last group of learned men regarding the best time was to appoint a council of wise men? Because according to them, it was impossible for one man